Have you ever struggled with a melody that just didn't seem to work, no matter what you tried? There are a couple of techniques that can give your melody the extra freedom and interest you've been looking for. So let's find out and let's get creative. Here I've written a simple melody and chord progression, but for some reason my melody seems uninspired and boring. My melody is lacking energy and it feels locked inside the chord progression.
There is no rush after this time. There is no rush after this time.
Let's check out my first solution, and this is an often overlooked one. When a melody feels restrained and boring, it can be because it is completely in sync with the underlying chord progression. Something that we need to focus on are the entry and exit points of our melody. We want to move the melody and harmonic progression out of sync. The result is that each melodic and harmonic entry will create a moment of interest. Let's hear what that sounds like.
There is no rush after this time.
Because the melody starts on an upbeat before the harmonic phrase, this propels the melodic energy forward. The length of each melodic phrase is important and should vary from one another, even if it's just a little bit. So for example, when you have two harmonic phrases of 2 bars each, then you can have 3 melodic phrases which are unequal in length. Let's hear an example.
There is no rush after this time. There is no rush.
So as you can see in this example, I have 2 harmonic phrases and I have 3 melodic phrases, 2 shorter ones and 1 longer one. For extra interest and independence, you want to avoid your melody starting and ending on too many stable points. These are, for example, the beginning of a harmonic phrase or ending exactly halfway a harmonic phrase. Here are some tips to remember. Rethink and rework the entry and exit points of your melody. Experiment with phrases of unequal length. Avoid starting and ending your melody on too many stable points of the harmonic phrase. I find these techniques to be very effective and often overlooked. So if you have any success stories yourself, be sure to share them with us. And your support and feedback really means a lot, so be sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel. And for now, see you next time.